Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. We're here with the team. You know, it's a Blacks original from last video. And I'm there with the team, guys, and we're getting ready to do some scouting with the drone first. I'm gonna send up the drone in the air, guys. I'm gonna scout that way, and I'm gonna scout that way. I'm gonna find the bait fish this morning and find out where the big fish are hunting this morning before we move, and don't carry gears down the beach for nothing. Skilly, see bait them there. You see, blacks have spot the bait them already, Skilly.
Jerry, this is it hard to pull?
Eh? Which zip? You know, pull the big zip, man. I look a zip. You going now? Yeah.
I just say jump.
Yeah. Don't mess with that too tough, because I'll get trouble. So what you do, take out the bait out of this, put water in here or something. Yeah. Or you have to take out the bait.
Wash out in there.
You don't need to wash out nothing in there.
Oh, so it's,
Or rinse out if you want to rinse out, you know nothing. Or you can use a bucket and use a pump in a bucket same way, it don't matter. You understand? But that keeps them alive because it's black. And the sun don't make it shine, you understand?
Take off. Home point updated.
Here, guys. You want another bait ball up there, so brother, they close still on your fart. Right where you see drone. Bumbuckler! Look how much bait skill he got. Yo guys, look at this. That's what's up. We got live bait, guys. Throw them in the pump. Turn on the pump right away. Catch bait, man. Look at the birds. Yeah, put in there, man. Pull up your water. Blacks trying to make the pump get wet. No. Just throw water into that, Blacks. Throw the... In a pan first. Yeah, guys, that's us. Alright, Skilly, me I send it on beach and see what I go on up line. Turn on the pump. Yeah. Oh, no. Check the battery, how long? See there. See there. More extra battery there already, you know. Big Wayne, now we go tie up rig. Carry them to come. Cock up this first. Yeah, then you have to make sure you put on a specific way, you know. If not, you end up getting them twisted all up and shit. Yeah, Sunfly, them a lick down here this morning, you fuck. I don't know when me go wear shorts come here for this morning. Unlock the deal. No. Come on. I'm gonna tie up some rig. Carolina rig for them here. See live bait. Oh, you two see up so you know, lock the bill. Just lean it. Get the next one out same way so.
Yes, I never thought about it.
No, we'll take them out. Just lean it up and take them out. Well, now I'll tie up some rig meantime, yeah? I'm put away that drone, yeah? I gotta put away the drone, man. Can't be moving with this. I thought we was moving down the beach. I didn't know we was chilling right here. We are move? Something grab here? Reach me up to that too. Block, we are move? Up the line. Alright. Big Wayne, you have the weights then? You have the weights? Alright, may I come right now, come tie up the rig them. Here goes extra batteries just in case, Skilly.
Yeah.
Please do not put the reels down in the sun here. Whatever you do, do not put them down in the sun, none time. Because the damage is real when you do that. I'll check this live bait now, guys. So hook alone. Pull it up. Eh? You want something? Huh?
Yeah, okay, so, yeah. You try to pull up it as much, that's... You try to save them.
I have a live ads for this one, you know. Top and them near. At the top and them near, the snook they near, the barra they near. I get picked. Yeah? Not yet. Not yet. Eh?
One hook one that day. I'm not get one like bit in red book. You can walk go past.
Got fish on. Doctor, bring him in. Can you get where? I circle hook, you know, you shouldn't wait, you know. Nah, man, you should take up a rod right away and set him on. I'll set some more on it. You should... No, they know some there, I know. I squid I do it, you know. Squid. Squid. See them, man. Well, cut up. Hurry up. Got away, guys. So not stressing. We're gonna put some more squid back on here. Get it on there tight, real tight. So when they do drag it, I have to work for this because squid is not that easy to come off the hook. That's why I use it. And it's a stinky, stinky bait right now. Here, wash my hands off. That was either snapper or grunt. I grabbed onto that line a while ago. Boy in our butt head. So I pick up now. Here guys, we got the fire lit up. We're about to roast some fish up. We got rough on us. The wind picked up the base one from this morning. And we got this down to a cold now. So fire is about to add fish to that. So we can eat something. See, snapper jump off my fire there. You can't throw that man like that. You can't throw that man like that. Yeah? You have to create like a grill like. With thick. Fish in here. I got no kitchen utensils and no grills. Or anything of that sort. So I basically gotta make do with what I got at hand. So what I'm basically doing here is making a smoke grill for my fish. Roast my fish on. So I don't burn my fish and have all this char all over it. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like right there. Let's get this one off the top. Get that one in there just as well. Let's smoke this one here. Doing it, guys, not fire. See, Bush skills. It's called bush grill. Bush skill and bush grill. Yeah man, bush skill and bush grill. You know burn the chicken, I heat a cook, you know. You know burn the fish. Just roast this fish on the fire with that one. And I'm munching on this before I pack up and get ready to go home. Been a long day. All my batteries are dying. Smoked fish, best. Totally awesome, guys. Come on, guys. Fish on. Woohoo! Yeah, guys. I ran down here as fast as I friggin' could a while ago. Even my slippers. Look what happened to my slippers, dog. I ran through my slippers. Skilly got it. My camera battery died on me while running up here, bro. I had to pull my phone on my pocket. Yeah, Skilly hooked up. Good one. Nice fight. I just ran over. Skilly was hooked on, and battery died on me at the same time, guys. Holy shit. Yeah. That is it. No.